Oh, what do we have here? We have when a McDonald's employee hates her new hours. They done changed up her hours and she is pissed. She ready to clock somebody out and they want her to clock out. A lot of clocking. Oh man, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And we finna dive right into this reaction. So without further ado, let's get it.
July 16th, 2024, officers responded to an aggravated assault at a McDonald's.
Damn.
Yelling in there? Yeah. Okay.
Somebody losing their McNuggets.
Can you do me a favor? Can you pull up that way? Okay.
That McDonald's used to be a bank.
Hey! Where are they? Where are they?
They in the back.
Are they still throwing stuff?
Huh?
Are they still throwing stuff?
No.
Alright, I'll come around.
Officer is super aggressive. Hey, them cops be quick to get out that motherfucking car. They be doing this little thing. I don't know how they be doing that.
I'm 10-12. That's good.
Oh, damn. Oh. You heard her. She said she don't need the... Clock that. Oh.
Come here. I need to speak with you. Come here.
Oh.
Leave me alone. Stop. Let me go.
That is not how you go. She is throwing the hissy fit of a 2-year-old. What's up, Xbox 360 user on Twitch? How you doing?
This girl throw the fire extinguisher at me, bro.
What? Hold on. What the fuck she threw at you, baby? Come on now. I gotta see what I got. Whoa. She what? How old are we? Acting like this, working at McDonald's. This is an establishment that's paying you.
This girl throw the fire extinguisher at me, bro.
A fire extinguisher. Man, we not rewinding that shit. Y'all heard that lady.
Okay. Where were you when I was in the office?
That's crazy. She writing McChecks and she over here getting McClucked with an extinguisher.
Sorry, they're all screaming.
I got it.
She come right here
Is she bipolar, schizophrenic, pregnant, retarded? Like, what's going on?
and she do like this.
She pushed. You were standing
With the fire thing with the, okay.
And then
She pushed. Okay.
That was okay.
Officers would later learn through the manager's sworn statement that the employee had initially become upset over a change in her hours.
You messing with her McChicken, you know what I'm saying? Her McDonald's, she ain't like that at all.
I'm a beat down.
Stop! Stop your shit! You're gonna go right to the ground if you're doing this shit. Stop!
Why he grabbing her by the head though? Come on, she already in a position, you know, she got her hands behind her back. I can't even get my words out because this shit here, I'm still stuck on the lady talking about the fire thing, but I can't get it out. How the fuck did she say that? That's crazy. Y'all got you right after this, bro.
You, I'm gonna do photo on your ass. Huh?
What?
You gonna die.
Hold on. No. What you mean voodoo? Like, Wait.
You gonna die, bitch.
Oh.
You gonna die.
Was she from Louisiana, baby, or something? Huh? Was she Haitian? Well, she losing her marbles over them hours, baby. Them hours. She need them hours. This ain't the way to go, though, but damn.
Just pat her down right now.
I ain't doing that.
Okay. Let's put it in the car for now. Let's search it.
Why are we acting like a 2-year-old though? Oh my God.
I didn't do nothing. Why are you guys doing this to me?
I don't even know the whole story. I roll up, and she went apeshit.
Don't go out there because she's out there. No, she outside. Yeah, just don't go out there. Because I don't want her to lobby and talk to somebody.
This lady just trying to do her job. She already ain't making that much.
You okay here just for a minute out here? Yeah, go ahead. Let me try to see what's going on.
No, sorry.
Look, just a little bit of advice. When you work in these type of jobs, they will put this shit on your record. So when jobs look you up, they gonna see this shit. This shit is never going to get away from you at all. So I hope it's worth it.
So she's over there. She was in the office. She picked up the fire extinguisher, tried to throw it at her, and the manager stopped her.
That's crazy.
Yeah, probably, because we were tussling over here.
Whoa.
Thank you.
She doesn't know if she wants to press charges yet. So she said she wanted to talk to this guy. Waylon, we're over here.
He looking at her like, bitch, what you just did? What happened? He looking at her like he knows she be on bullshit. Did y'all see that look? We gotta go back to it. He looked like an aggravated dad. Look.
She wants to press charges yet. So she said she wanted to talk to this guy. Waylon, we're over here.
Oh, bro. He like, man.
You need to take a deep breath and calm down. Are these your keys?
She having a psychotic meltdown right now. I ain't never seen a grown person act like a child. She might be a teenager though. You never know.
See, the thing is about it, I'm not no nasty person, but when I tried to nip it in the bud early, they supposed to have listen. You feel what I'm saying? Because I feel like, I don't care if you're white, black, Puerto Rican, Spanish, when we cut, you cut the same blood. There's no such thing as Haitian better than American. You feel
Hello.
what I'm saying?
Hello, finally. She can't say some words the right way, but she got a good heart.
And this is the whole thing. This is how the whole thing started. You feel what I'm saying? She didn't, to be honest, she pushed, but I'm not hurt. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, but she still can't put her hands on you. That's not okay.
Look, even when you know what I'm saying, she didn't been done a certain type of way, she still don't want to see the girl end up in a bad situation.
Are these your keys? Look at me. Are these your keys? I don't want to get them thrown out. That's why I'm asking.
What,
I'm gonna press charges. The reason why I say that, because the reason why I'm gonna say that, and I'm gonna put it like this right here. The reason why I'm gonna go ahead,
Get it out, God dang it, get it out.
why I'm gonna go ahead and do it, because it has to stop and it has to end somewhere. And by me saying, okay, just let it go, it'll keep happening.
Exactly.
Go ahead and take her to jail. She got no this. No, go ahead and take her to jail.
Have
Mm.
anything
Yeah, you guys got enough cameras, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or weapons or anything? No? All right, we're gonna come over here.
Over some hours, baby, that you could have just went. I would have just got another job. I ain't gonna lie to you. Me personally, I wouldn't have tripped out like that. I would have just went and got another job, baby, because shit, it ain't worth it. At the end of the day, it is not worth it. It's not worth it. You see it right now. It definitely was not worth it whatsoever. You gotta know how to keep control of your emotions, or shit like this is gonna happen all the time.
Go ahead and place your chest area towards the vehicle. Give me a wide stance. Separate your feet.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.